At the time of creating the video, Carbon Browser has over 7 million downloads and 62,000 daily active users on PC and Android. Carbon is a free and open-source web browser created by Carbon X Labs. With its quick page load speeds and elimination of advertisements and web trackers, Carbon is made to satisfy the demands and expectations of everyday users. At the same time, Carbon caters to the Web3 community by providing an integrated multi-chain wallet, as well as swapping and bridging capabilities. By utilizing the browser, users can earn CSIX, Carbon's token. These tokens can then be used to upgrade to a premium browsing experience, staked for more awards, and so on. So let's begin today's video, the browser. Carbon Browser was founded in 2013 as a super fast browser. Its developers are mostly pseudonymous, but they are said to have working experience with tech giants like Google, Microsoft, Mozilla, and Dell. The Carbon Browser project was developed in conjunction with Binance, Curate, and Pools Ventures, and it has received over 7 million downloads since its release. The application is presently only accessible for Android, but an iOS version will be also released soon. Yes, PC versions are available in beta versions. Carbon Browser versus other browsers. The two Web3 browsers that are most widely used are Carbon and Brave. With features like a cryptocurrency wallet and support for ENS domains, both browsers are designed with Web3 users in mind. But Carbon Browser offers a quicker surfing experience, lets users earn awards without needing to pass KYC checks, and gives them access to a free VPN and firewall. While Chrome is the most popular browser with a 64% market share according to SimilarWeb, it does not have privacy settings or ad blocking by default. Also, despite the fact that users can download a number of extensions for the Chrome desktop browser, it does not by default support Web3 features. Features of Carbon Browser. Let's now examine some of the Carbon Browser's primary features. Privacy. According to Carbon Browser, the privacy of its users' data is very important to them. It enables users to not only utilize the program without revealing personal information, but also control other aspects of their browsing history. Carbon is a non-KYC browser. Therefore, no registration is required to access its services, which include reward programs and a token staking portal. While still in development, Carbon will provide its customers with privacy features such as a decentralized VPN and a firewall. These applications will be free to use, allowing anyone to encrypt their personal data while using the internet. Yes, even Carbon Pro customers can access advanced privacy features. Web3 support. Carbon is a Web3 browser. It includes decentralized applications and protocols by default, and it is also designed with technologies that allow developers to incorporate their own decentralized applications. Carbon Browser supports Web3-related activities and apps such as the CSX token staking program, decentralized exchange and decentralized domains like ENS, unstoppable domains, and Handshake. Yes, the Carbon Browser interface allows users to access external decentralized services as well. Carbon also includes a multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet with the ability to send and receive cryptocurrency, along with a staking platform and swaps on LDXFi. With support for categories ranging from DeFi to NFT and infrastructure, Carbon also makes it simple for consumers to explore and engage with dApps on the web. Improved browsing experience. Carbon offers lightning-fast surfing performance, strong user data privacy standards, and compatibility with Web3 apps. The project claims that the browser loads in less than half a second. This is around 4 times faster than the speed claimed for the Chrome browser, which Carbon's research indicates is the second fastest browser. According to the project, the browser's observed performance is due to improvements in the core browser engine and the browser's routing operations. Carbon's ad blocking technologies are another important component of its enhanced browsing experience. According to Carbon, a significant factor in internet loading latency is the abundance of high-resolution advertisements. Carbon's ad blocking technology eliminates advertisements, freeing up resources so that the regular web page can load. In order to improve ad management, Carbon Browser has joined with Veracity, a cryptocurrency project working on anti-ad fraud technology. Carbon Browser integrates Veracity's Proof of View, which ensures that advertisements displayed on whitelisted sites are free of fraud, making Carbon Browser a safer environment. Veracity is listed on the Carbon Browser dApp Store, with support for the VRA token on its exchanges and wallet. Rewards. Users can earn rewards through Carbon Browser's Browse to Earn program. The reward program is open to all users. Yes, KYC verification is not necessary. When users carry out particular browser operations, they are awarded Carbon points. The geography and user activity determine the reward earned. The amount paid for activities varies depending on the supported region. According to the project, the amount of the reward would be changed on a regular basis depending on the supply and demand situations. Via its staking program, Carbon Browser also provides additional income possibilities. On the staking platform, holders of C6 tokens can stake their tokens and get token rewards based on the annual percentage rate. CSX is a BEP20 minted on the Binance Smart Chain and the native token of the Carbon Browser. Is C6 a good investment? Yeah, I understand you might be wondering whether C6 is a good investment. Carbon Browser is set to change internet browsing, particularly in terms of privacy and security. Carbon Browser, with its in-browser wallet and ad marketplace, is likely to be in high demand among cryptocurrency enthusiasts and the general public. Users should, however, conduct sufficient research and speak with certified financial professionals before investing in any cryptocurrency projects. The cryptocurrency market is extremely unpredictable, and every decision is risky, so it is best to make informed choices. Apps on Carbon Browser Store. Carbon Browser's App Store is a collection of applications that can be installed and used within the browser. According to the project, it is the world's first and largest app store designed just for Web3 browsers. Final thoughts. The internet is one of the industries that mostly need the use of decentralized technology and anti-censorship principles, and Carbon Browser just does that. It has over 7 million users, and the daily usage statistics suggest a growing interest in internet services that take users' privacy seriously. Furthermore, it provides consumers with a better browsing experience, thanks to faster loading times and ad blockers. Carbon Browser also makes it simple for users to interact with Web3 services via its built-in wallet, bridge, and exchange. So, what are your thoughts about today's video? Don't forget to leave all of them in the comments section below.